Hey everyone, welcome to Matt's Lock Pit. So, got a challenge lock tonight. If I can get this to focus, as you can see, she's from Leon's Lockpad. It's a kick cylinder, and it's called Howard the Duck. And yeah, I picked this a good few times, fucking weeks ago, guys. And I can't for the life of me think of why I didn't get it on camera. Well, to be honest with you, I thought I did. I'm really behind on packages, so finally got my ass into gear. Sorry to everyone that's waiting on a package. Had a lot of shit going on, but they are going to be coming out soon. But yeah, going through the challenge locks, and yeah, came across this one. And as I said, I thought I had it on camera, but it turns out I haven't. So I think I'm going to go in with my medium hook from Law Lock Tools. I absolutely love this thing. So I'm going to tension counterclockwise, got a bit more slop that way, so into the back. Right, deep full set straight away off pin number 5. Nothing on 4, nothing on 3. I'm worried that full set's a trap. We had a click on 2 there. Click on 1, and we're insanely deep, guys. Probably take that tension wrench out. Look at that, fucking ridiculous. Remember this lock now. I don't remember exactly how to open it, but I remember that it is crazy. So get back on camera. Sorry about the little interruption. So into the back. Nothing 5, 4, nothing on 4. I'm going to try a bit of a cannual on 3. Nice click. Lost a bit of the full set, but that's not a bad thing in my eyes. Right, we had to click off 1 there. 2 feels like it wants to do something, but it's fucking weird. Right, so try a bit of cannual on 3. Nice click. At the very back. Come on, it's not telling me what it wants me to do. Is that a bit fuzzy, guys? Let me see if I can focus there. There we go. Apologies for that, guys. I don't know whether it's been like that the whole time. Just glance down at the phone screen. Right, try a bit of cannual. For those of you that don't know what the fuck cannual means, it's a word I made up to save me saying manual counter rotation all the time. And I definitely be using it on this because this lock's crazy. Ooh, nice and deep again. I'll try a bit of cannual on 1. Add a click. I think we've got some sort of pin on number 3, I think it is. Seems to be getting trapped. Alright, so got a bit of a false off 1 there. I'm just going to change pick to something with a slight bit more reach. See if that makes a difference. Just going to go for a reset, guys. So yeah, it's starting to become apparent why I didn't get this on camera when I thought I did. Right, deep false set. I'm going to reset straight there. I'm going to start from the front. There we go, that false set came off 3 that time instead of 5. Right, number 1, bit cannual, nice click, deep again. Fucking need to move my camera a slight bit, I keep hitting it. Number 3 that was. Click off 1, click off 2, Massive deep false set again. Off number 3 that was. That was also number 3. On 4 now, nice click. Click and a deep false set off 1. Fuck, this thing's deep, guys. Fucking picking sideways. Canule on 3. Tap 2 and it got us deeper again. Number 1 seems to be quite tight. Damn you. What a tricky lock. Leon, my friend, I wonder what mischief you've been up to inside this. Alright, 1 actually felt set that time. Alright, 2. Let's click. How is that not open? Look at that, guys. Look at that, I'm fucking picking sideways here, Nike. Almost there though, surely to God. Let's have a feel here. 1. Bit of canule on 3. No, look how deep that is, guys. See if I can get round to the back. Canule on 4, and I lost my false set, but that might not actually be a bad thing. I'm not sure actually, this lock seems to have died. False set back. Something weird going on with pin 3, guys. Curious as to see what it is. Tell you what, if I do get this open, it's going to have to be a fucking quick gutting, because this video is going on for days. Well, what is going on with number 3? Number 4 is a weird fucker as well. Well, in fact, every single one of these fucking pins is weird. Only a 5 pinner, but it's giving me a lot of grief, as you can see. Nice false off 1 that time. That felt a bit different than what we've been getting. I'm hoping we've only got 1 pin to get you guys. We are insanely deep. There we go. Whew. Jesus fucking Christ. Look at that. She's open. That's not a false set, so we'll lock it back up because we've got the key. Well, I think we've got the key. Where the fuck is the key, actually? I'm sure it'll be alright. Ah, there we go. It's not hung up because it's Howard the Duck. Let's have a look here. Interesting to see what this key looks like. Oh, it's not even mummied. So if I can get that to focus for you. There we go, you can see that. So, works beautifully. You wouldn't even know it was a challenge lock, you'd think it was a stock lock. Cool. Alright, so let's get this gutted. Get that out of the way. Alright, I think we'll be using my little red tray. Cool, cool, cool. So follow it, see if this little bugger fits. Like a glove. Sorry guys, kind of forgot that I was recording then, not talking at all. Alright, so let's get a shim in here. Fucking help if I put the key in, wouldn't it? In a world of my own, guys. Shim in, follow up, nice and smooth. And there we go. I said I felt something funny with pin 3. Looks to be a T-pin. As we can see, everything well and truly needed to be gutted. So I'll just bang these out real quick. Number 1, what? Standard pin. 2, motherfucking standard pin. 3, got like a nice tiered T-pin. 4, we've got a single serration by the looks of it. And 5, looks like we've got a double serration. So have we got any work done here? Right, so it looks like we've got, I can't tell whether that's threading or counter milling on number 3, but that looks it. Awesome, cool. Alright, so let's get to the business end then, guys. Try and speed this up. That did take a good while to pick. So Leon was nice enough to put an X on the front for us. Get that to focus. Let's see what we got in this. Number 1. Right, there we go. Nice pin and pin. I'll show you pictures of these guys. I won't show you now. And a nice brass or bronze spring. Fucking flying everywhere. Number 2. Crazy serrations with a T-pin end. As I said, I will put pictures in. 3, you little bugger. 2 little ball bearings from like a sync chain. Sneaky. I think that's actually, I've seen it loads, but I think that's actually the first time I've ever come across a lock that's had it. So we'll start at the back now. Number 5. Not sure if that's standard. It's definitely tapered, but I'm not sure if it's standard or not. A little brass bronze spring again. Number 4. Nice, we got a crazy spin top fucking T-pin sort of shit thing. Awesome, and the same brass spring again. Any work done in here? Doesn't appear to be. Well, that lock was cool as hell. The pins have surprised me. I'll stand this up here for you. And I'll zoom in. But as I said, I'll put some pictures in. Stay tuned, guys. But that was Howard the Duck by Leon's Lockpad. Absolutely wicked lock. That was very fun. Thank you, Gordon W, I believe, sent this to me. And yeah, very, very cool lock. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. And stay tuned for the slideshow.